In Android, a click listener is an interface used to detect and respond to user interactions, specifically click events, on UI elements like buttons, views, or other interactive components. It allows you to define a callback method that will be executed when the user clicks or taps on a specific UI element. The most common way to implement a click listener is by using the view.onClickListener, and in this case, myButton.setOnClickListener. This interface has a single method called onClick. onClick that takes a parameter of type view that you need to override. When a user clicks on a view, the onClick method will be called, and you can define the desired behavior within this method. Now let's create a toast. Toast is a small notification that appears temporarily on the screen to display simple messages or feedback to the user. A toast typically appears at the bottom of the screen and automatically disappears after a short period of time, usually around 2 or 3 seconds. You clicked. So this is a toast message. This is a short notification that will appear at the bottom of the screen when the user click on the button. Let's run our application, choose the available AVD, Android virtual device, the emulator that you created before, and click this green triangle, run the application. And here we go. This is our application. This is our button. If I click on this button, a short message telling us you clicked a button will appear.